Yes, people, what's going on? Week 3 of Ramadan. Alhamdulillah, it's been great. A few points I'll start with. Yes, working from home is great. Fasting has been easy, 16, 17 hours without food, breeze. However, being creative has not been so good. So for the past 2 years on Instagram, I have been vlogging 30 days of Ramadan, alhamdulillah, just showing all my friends and family and followers on the gram, and just to educate as well, just to show them how it can be difficult, and all the good as well as nostalgia. Obviously, fasting from a young age, from your family, and all that, all that good stuff. But this year, I found it difficult to do this on Instagram, just because working from home, and being on lockdown, and just my creative juices has not been flowing at all. So this year, I did flop. I'm flopping right now. It's not going, because before I was just getting, it was just great to educate, and just to show that, like the first week is always hard. You wake up and it's like you've got 15 minutes to eat, but the first 10 minutes you're like sitting around dazed and you're trying to figure out what's going on, and then you have like 5 minutes left, and all that funny stuff. But yeah, so on that side of things, being creative was a bit difficult, but apart from that, it's going cool. Working from home has been okay. It's getting a bit difficult now, so my wife and I were just taking like our morning, going for a walk, going for a run, and yeah, coming back, doing some work, and then in the evening we're going to do our food shop as well as home delivery. But all in all, man, we're just trying to stay safe, and I hope you guys and your family are too. Much love.